Good morning. Rise and shine, rise and grind, rise and shine, rise and grind. Welcome to the poppin' morning routine. Welcome to the poppin' morning routine. Yeah. Y'all, this is my morning routine, but let me get dressed first. So now you see me, now you don't, and now I'm back. Okay, so here I'm taking my Eucalyptus soap by Dr.Bronners and I'm putting water on it. And I'm just putting the soap all over my hands. I'm going to put it all over my face. I repeat this step twice a day, once in the morning and then once at nighttime. So in the next few clips, you're going to see me putting it on my face. And I'm doing this with hot water and then I'm going to rinse with cold water. And I'm going to let this soap sit on my face while I brush my teeth so that, it can insert my pores and, really sit in my skin and really do what it's supposed to do. Because I heard eucalyptus is very good for your skin. And I've been using this for about 2 weeks now. So yeah, my face is pretty clear again. So yeah, this is what I'm doing. Stay tuned for the previous clip, for the next few clips. Excuse me. Stay tuned for the next clips, and yeah, stay tuned. I'm reading the message for y'all. I ordered a ring light from Amazon and it just came, so I'm about to unpackage it for y'all. I'm super excited because I've been waiting for my package to come and it finally came. So yeah, and it came in like 2 days because I used my friend's Amazon Prime. I ordered it Monday and it came today, which is Thursday. So yeah, I'm about to open it for y'all. Y'all just seen my skincare routine, but yeah, let's do this Neewer ring light unpackaging. This is the light. I got it from Amazon for $90, you know, a little cheap ring light purchase. I got this, so we about to open it up and see what's popping. Super excited. It's heavy. Let's open this. I think this is the stand. Stand part. These are the little pieces. This is the color part. If I want to change the color. This is the foam part that goes on the stand. This is the plug-in part. Another piece. I think it comes another wall part. Instructions. The light. I'm so excited. It comes in clear too. So this is all. I remember when I was putting this together with Destiny, it was really hard and stuff like that, but I'm gonna put it together first off camera, and then I'm gonna show you how the finished product after I'm done putting it together, so I can see the difference in lighting. So you see this lighting now, it's gonna magically turn into popping lighting. So yeah, I'm gonna be back. So y'all, when I get back, y'all gonna see new Deja Vu.
Come on.
Y'all, I got the light in the
oh, you on the vlog?
Got the phone.
Call me Silk, y'all.
Yeah.
Call me Silk. Hell.
I got the phone in the ring light, so I'm gonna put. It's
oh, that's sweet.
It's cricket. I think.
Oh, you got your phone in there, girl. That's sweet.
It's cricket. I think I put it on wrong, but y'all
Girl,
can't tell from the video.
Turn it on.
But okay.
Goodness. Good gracious.
And
Good.
it's a Bluetooth thing. But she look. But it's not set up
Oh,
yet.
it is. That's sweet. Come on, before
You might want to back up.
my
this.
baby number 2 wake up.
Right.
Wait, because I show every blemish on my face. That's too much.
Slow.
Hold on, wait.
Huh? Y'all, my videos about to be popping. Y'all can tell me.
Girl, my
nothing.
selfie's about to be popping.
I'm officially deja vu. Y'all can tell me anything. I got a ring light.
What's good? Hey.
She got a ring light.
Okay.
Okay, can I do a lift check
Yeah.
now?
Oh yeah. She gotta do a lip check on her, but I just wanted to show y'all the little effect. So this is it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every single time it's another amazing popping video. We back to back on 18. Nevertheless. Don't forget to check out the description box. I haven't been saying that, but I'm saying it now. Check out the description box. Share my previous videos with your friends and family. Catch your dog. You already know the drill. Share everybody loves her. Girl, Deja Vu can be popping. I love you guys so much. And I'm gonna definitely see y'all in the next one. Bye.
Peace.